So it's Bangladesh calling the shots at the moment as the Indian captain comes out to the centre. What a job he's got on his hands here. They're just tightening the screws. You can see the pressure building up. Gets that through the offside. Work for the man in the deep. Should cut it off. Naeem Islam doing the work. Third man. Cannot stop it. He'll be disappointed there, Tamim Iqbal.
Well, he plays with a lot of bottom hand, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And this you'd have to say.
Well, he allowed him to free his arms and banged it away, but there is cover in the deep. Well done by Mahmudullah Riyad. Saved a couple of runs. Oh, playing and missing. A little bit of an airy-fairy shot, standing his ground, not really moving to the pitch of that ball. Flaying at it. Fortunate didn't get an inside edge to that one.
Get at least 5 runs per over to keep the asking rate within his eye line. Doesn't want the asking rate to go. And of course the follow wickets has meant that the Indians have not been able to take the risk. This might go to the boundary. Good effort. Did he save it? He will have to go to the third umpire, but that's a terrific effort.
Excelled in the field today. Sometimes you get a good day when you're batting, bowling, fielding, and there you see that commitment.
You can see the required run rate now. It's already over 6. Two is the call. 4 it is.
A lot of use of the wrist. Really powerful use of the wrist. And the bottom hand got very close to it.
You almost expect at this stage one of these two batsmen. That's in the air, but it's gone all the way into the gap. One bounce over the rope.
This is where it is. Is this the correct move to bring the quick bowler on?
Goes to the off stump. What a shot! And that'll be a boundary. Don't bother running, don't bother chasing.
Put it on the up. Wasn't a half volley. More importantly, into the gap. Very good hit, coming at the right time. It's turning out to be a good over. 6 runs of it.
It's also telling you how good this pitch has become. So just plonk your front foot forward and whack. 50 for Mahendra Singh Dhoni. It's 158 for 3.
Looking for the turn, Dhoni. It's not a big turner of the ball. Bit of an inside edge, but he picks up 2.
Well, it's not just gripping the ball while you're bowling, but also when the ball comes off the pitch.
That's a very good shot. He split the field off the back foot. He's got power, Dhoni. I mentioned it earlier. Chops that down. He's the right man for you. He's got that temperament. Short delivery, gets the treatment. That's disappeared to the boundary in a flash. It was a loosener, a long hop.
He's been batting for a long time, and if you pitch short and wide, he'll put you to the sword. Went very close to the leg umpire.
It's a gamble you must take. You have to take, because it might not pay off. You might concede a couple of boundaries.
4. Don't worry about that. Dhoni enjoyed it.
Or maybe he's not taking the power play because he's getting such half volleys outside the off stump, and he's picking boundaries anyway. Asking rate now below 6. So they in fact have more deliveries in which to get the runs by the Indian captain.
Slow delivery, running the first one hard. In the end, another delightful shot. No fuss about that. Just opening the face of the bat will be a boundary to end the over. 261 for 4. It's gone fine. It'll be 400 for the Indian captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You can see a sigh of relief on his face. Superb innings.
Well, it has been a captain's innings because he came into bat when India were in trouble. 3 down for 50. He had to stick around. He guided young Virat Kohli. He had a very good partnership with him, and now with another youngster, he's taking India to a win. What an innings this has been from the Indian captain. Just 5 now needed for India to post a victory.